Home ownership in Atlanta means to me that being able to provide a space for my family and my friends to be able to come together in the city that we grew up in and really be able to grow within our networks, our personal careers, our professional careers as well. And just being able to have some sense of ownership in the city that you come from.
Home ownership in Atlanta means legacy for me. It means to keep our roots in our city. I think Black ownership is vital. It is important. It's what makes Atlanta Atlanta. And I just want to be able to continue investing in the community that raised me. And I want to extend my home ownership to my family, and I hope that they can keep it going in the city as well.
Biggest thing is there's money out there. There's money is out there. So I was a little hesitant. I'm thinking I'm about a year out from actually being able to do it. But coming out here and hearing about these programs make it a little bit more in reach for me. So I might be able to do it sooner than I thought initially. So I'm really glad I took the opportunity to come out to see what Invest Atlanta had to say.
Wow, the biggest takeaway from today was all of the different programs that are available if you purchase within the confines of the Beltline. That is like awesome. And I don't know if any other city has that, but Invest Atlanta, perfect, beautiful.